I'm going to replace the air conditioner climate control blower motor on my 2007 E-350 W211 Mercedes Benz.
The blower is not working.
Under the glove box in the passenger footwell of the W211 E-Class, remove the two T20 Torx trim panel fasteners. Gently wiggle the plastic trim piece down from the dashboard to gain access to the footwell light electrical connector. Disconnect the footwell light electrical connector by squeezing the release tab and pulling it straight back out of the light. Remove the trim panel from the Mercedes Benz E-350 and set it aside. Disconnect the blower electrical connection by squeezing the release tab and pulling it down out of the blower motor. Remove the wiring harness from the retaining tabs. Remove the 4 T20 Torx screws from the W211 blower motor cover. Remove the blower motor cover and set it aside. Remove the 4 T20 Torx fasteners from the blower motor. Support the E-350 blower motor as you remove the final fasteners. Disconnect the blower motor from the Mercedes final stage electrical unit by squeezing the release tabs and pulling it out. Remove the two T20 Torx fasteners from the Benz final stage unit. And transfer it over to the new motor. I connected the new motor to the old Mercedes-Benz final stage electrical unit. I work the new blower into the housing. I then reattached 2 of the 4 Torx screws. I then reconnected the blower electrical connection. I started the car to test the climate control system. If the repair didn't work, I would have reinstalled the old motor and returned the new one.
Blower!
Since this worked, I installed the final 2 Torx screws. Pull the blower electrical connection again. Reinstall the blower motor cover with the 4 T20 Torx screws. Reinstall the wiring harness into the retaining tabs. Reconnect the blower electrical connection. Gently wiggle the plastic trim piece back in place. Reconnect the footwell light electrical connector. Reattach the 2 T20 Torx trim panel fasteners. Start the Mercedes-Benz E-350 and do a final test of the heating and cooling blower motor. And that's how I replaced the air conditioner climate control blower motor on my 2007 E-350 W211 Mercedes Benz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.